Angels, it's me, Sari Latrice, back in the cut with another video. So in today's video, I will be doing a Temu, Walmart, and Shein haul. So yeah, before I get into this video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell. That way you can notify whenever I upload or post a brand new video. Without further ado, let's get right into today's YouTube video. My first time ever ordering from there, so I'm pretty excited. Yeah, I'm really excited for this one, so we'll go ahead and get to opening this. This is so chaotic. Okay, we're just gonna go with this. So first I got this clear claw clip. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the packaging. Packaging comes packaged up real good. Their claw clips are really cheap on there, so I definitely recommend them. I've been using just like a solid, like clear claw clip for the longest. Sturdy, very large, so this is gonna be good for my braids because I've been needing like a regular, just clear claw clip. Yeah, so I got this claw clip, so that's the first thing. Okay, so next I have like this pink beaded bracelet because I love bracelets, as you guys can probably tell. So there it is. Really cute. Nice, cute pink bracelet. Really cute. Okay, so the next item that I have are these goat hoop earrings because when I tell you I've been needing some goat hoop earrings because all I have are silver hoops. I got this big pack. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up too. Nice. I'm definitely gonna be wearing these with my outfits because like I said, I have been needing some goat earrings. I got these flare leggings, these black flare leggings. See what these look like. Okay. So these are a size small. They're like ribbed knit. They do look a little bit see-through, but it's fine. I have been wanting flare leggings for the longest, and these are $4. I like the ribbed knit material, so I'm definitely going to be wearing these. These are super, super cute. Pack of rings. I don't remember how many rings I ordered, but I know I got a pack of maybe like 5 or 4, maybe 6. So first I have like this white ring. It's really cute. I have this like other white ring. Looks like this. It's gold heart ring. Once again, super cute. So I have this white and gold smiley face ring. This white and gold flower ring, and then lastly I have this white and gold butterfly ring. So those are all the rings that I got from Temu. So next, oh my gosh, I am so excited for this. This is so cute. I have this white and pink pearl heart necklace. Let me open this up, and this is really cute. Looks exactly like a picture. It's cute. More bracelets. Okay, so I got some more bracelets because you know me, like if you're one of my friends, you know I love bracelets. Okay, so these are what the bracelets look like. They're like really popular to get. We have a bunch of different bracelets on there, pink and gold. They're super cute. I really like them. Another claw clip, but this one is a black one. Because just like I needed a clear claw clip, I also needed a plain black one too. And once again, came nice and clean. Feels very sturdy because you know that one's kind of hard to open. You know, sturdy. Nice, big, black jaw claw clip. So yeah, Temu is coming in clutch. Next, we have these pack of socks. So I really needed some socks to go with my fit. So we have like a bunch of different colors up in here. So we have green, yellow, white, brown, So these are perfect. Those are like a lot of colors that are in outfits. So these are nice. They're like ribbed knit socks. So I got a nice pack of socks for me to wear. Is this? I already know what this is. Super excited for it. So I ordered this anklet set. So we have this anklet that says angel. So we have this one that says angel, silver and pink with a butterfly one. And I have this butterfly one, and yeah. So we have this. Okay, this is so cute. So this is so soft too. So it's like this pink and dark pink leopard print shoulder bag, and it has like a cute pink zipper. This is really cute, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing this soon. I just don't know with what. Okay, this is the last thing I ordered from Temu. So I ordered this cute silver heart necklace. It literally looks so pretty in the camera, like it's not even focusing. Yeah, this is super cute, cool. Yeah, okay. So that is everything I bought from Temu.